book and pick 'em when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive 'em when I kiss 'em. If you want some never, just let me know.
Hi, it's been a really long time since I last sit here and film a video. The reason why is because I have been busy with my schoolwork and also my Insta shop. For the past few weeks, I have been preparing for the booth that I had for my shop last week. So yeah, it wasn't like a success, which is kind of sad, but I am really proud that I've made over 40 cases to sell during that day. So yeah, I am currently in the process of editing that vlog. I'm not sure if I'll end up uploading it because I think it's pretty short because I didn't get much footage from that day where I have the booth. So yeah, but today I am gonna be showing you all the clothes that I recently got after I cleaned out my closet. So yeah, let's start. Starting off with H&M, it was an impulsive purchase because I was in Genting the other day and it was so cold, so I went in with my friends and I got this hoodie. It's this like pink oversized hoodie. I got it in the size extra small, but it still fits pretty oversized, which I like. And the main reason why I got it is because of the color. If you didn't know, I really like this like pink shade, as you can see. So yeah, I got this and it was around 80 ringgit. The material is not too thick, which is perfect for me to wear it to uni. So I got this. I also really like how the hood is kind of oversized as well because I have a really big head, so this fits really well. Moving on to the next store, which is Cotton On. I got 3 items from them and they were all on sale when I got it. And I realized that the stuff from that store goes on sales really fast, so I don't really shop full price there. And yeah, I got all of this for... So the first thing that I got from the store is this white tank top. It has this really pretty ruching detailing in front of the chest area and it's in this ribbed material, which I like. So I just got this because I think it would go well with literally everything and easy for me to wear it to uni again. So I got this because it was only 20 ringgit. The next thing I got kind of reminds me of Ashley from Best Dress because I know she loves gingham, and I got this in yellow. I tried them on in the store and I just had to get it because it's really comfortable. And I don't have any shorts in this style in my closet, so I got this. And the last thing that I got from Cotton On is just this really basic t-shirt, which is in my favorite shade of pink, and it says Femme Fierce on it. I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but it's just this really oversized t-shirt. Sorry. I just recently went to the Shawn Mendes concert and it was so amazing and I screamed, like I shout at the top of my lung. So I guess that's why my throat is kind of itchy after talking for a while. Excuse my rusty voice. But back to the t-shirt, I just got this really oversized t-shirt because I really like the combo of having red font on a pink background, and it was on sale for 15 ringgit. So yep. So the following items that I'm going to be showing you are all from Taobao, which is a China website. I purchased all of this by myself and I'm going to be leaving all of the links in the description down below. So if you have access to Taobao, maybe you can check them out. But yeah, the first thing I'm going to be showing you is this top that I have been wearing a lot lately, and this is what it looks like. It has this really pretty floral detailing on it and buttons all the way down in the middle, which reminds me of something that Brandy Marvel is selling, although we don't have a Brandy Marvel here, but I saw it on their Instagram and they look really similar. So this is what it looks like, and I remember this was less than 30 ringgit. And again, it is in this ribbed material, which is really stretchy and comfortable to wear. I also got a similar top which is in the same print but in black. This is what the prints looks like, even though they look really similar, but it's in a completely different style where you can wrap around the front and tie it in a bow in the back, as you can see from the try-on clip. Also, sorry if I confuse you with my pink hair. I filmed this try-on part after I filmed the haul video, so in between that period of time I went ahead and dyed my hair pink. So yeah. Another t-shirt that I got is this one that says on it, and it's just kind of cute. It's just a really simple t-shirt for me to wear to school when I don't feel like dressing up. So yeah, I feel like I say so yeah way too much, and it's gonna be so hard for me to edit out when I'm editing this video. And yes, I got another white crop top, and this is what it looks like, and it says tunnel vision on it. I just thought it's really colorful and fun, and again, I can easily wear this with high-waisted pants or high-waisted shorts to uni and don't have to think about my outfit for it that day. So ta-da! I also got two dresses from Taobao, and they are both in floral print. Starting off with this purple one that I got, I really like how the sleeves are puffed. It has the zipper in the back, which look pretty well made to me. It also comes with lining inside of the dress, so you don't have to worry about it being too see-through, which is great. I mean, so I don't have to worry about it. I don't usually like floral dresses, but I really like this too because the florals are really small. It's just my personal preference, but this is just what the dress looks like. It actually fits me kind of long, which I wish it was a little bit shorter, so I might have to shorten it myself. But other than that, this is a really great purchase, and yeah. Second dress that I got is this maroon floral dress, which is in a chiffon material. I also really like the detailing of this dress. It's a completely different style from the previous one that I showed you, where this kind of opens up like a butterfly wings, as you can see here, and it's kind of see-through, which is really pretty for this chiffon material. It also comes with two strings on the side of the dress where I can tie a bow in the back, where it will accentuate the waistline more. But one thing about this dress is that it's really open in front. Like, it has a really deep V, which I'm gonna be showing you one second. But I always wear this dress with a safety pin in front. One day I guess I might just sew it down so that I don't have to worry about this safety pin. Next top that I got is this really pretty blouse, which just looks like this. It has a square neckline in front, and it also has this ruching leaf. Is this called ruching, or like I don't know what it's called, but you can see how the fabric are really layered, and it's just so pretty and delicate. It also have a bell sleeves, which I don't usually like, but this is an exception, and I really like this top. But one thing about this top is that it's kind of see-through, so you either have to wear a nude undergarment or a tube underneath it. But to me, that's not a problem, so I really like this top. And last but not least is this top that I have been wearing so much, and it's so worth the price because I believe it was under 30 ringgit. And this is what the top looks like. It's in the same design of the crop top that I showed you earlier, which has this button down detailing. I have been really liking this design lately, and why I love this top so much is that the sleeves are long enough to cover half of my hand, which gives that really cute Ariana Grande vibe, you know. So I also have been really liking this pastel green color lately. So yeah, and that's basically all the clothing items that I recently got after cleaning out my closet. But right now I'm going to be showing you a watch. This is not sponsored, but I really wanted to show you guys because it's really cool. It's by the brand aaaaha. It's a company where you can customize your own watch, and they let me pick one from their website. So I'm going to be showing you the watch that I customized. I am so excited when I received this because I customized my name on it, and the quality of this watch is really great. All the customization that you do to the watch, they handcrafted themselves. So I just really wanted to show you guys because I think this company is doing something really cool. Can you see? I'm gonna insert like a close-up shot because I really like this watch, and I just want to say thank you so much to aaaaha for sending me this watch. They didn't ask me or pay me to put this in a video, but I just really wanted to show it to you guys, or maybe you can just go to their website and play around because it's really fun during the process of customizing it. They also gave me a coupon code for you guys to use where you can get $20 off your purchase if you just use the code Christine2019. I'm not making any commission from the code, but they just gave me a code for you guys to use. So feel free to use it if you want to purchase a watch from them, because I honestly really like the watch. I just think this company is really cool, and they are all sustainably made. And yeah, yeah, thank you so much for watching up until this point. I hope you somewhat enjoyed this little fashion update from me, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.